Hi, Andy Cruz here in business development with Mortgage Heroes. One of the things we hear most often after someone buys a new home is, what the heck is with this supplemental tax bill I just got in the mail? In this video, you're going to see an explanation from the county assessor explaining what the supplemental tax bill is and what you need to know about it.
Congratulations! You bought a house in beautiful San Diego County. Amid all the documents you have read through and signed, you probably noticed the important information about your property taxes. Whether you signed up for an impound account or will pay the taxes yourself, you'll be getting an important piece of mail soon, your green supplemental property tax bill. So what's this bill you've never heard of? We're here to answer the most commonly asked questions.
What is a supplemental tax bill?
Anytime a property is sold to a new owner or a new construction is completed, state law says the county must reassess it. That reassessment will most likely change your home's assessed value, which property taxes are based on. When the assessed value changes, the county must recalculate your property taxes. And when your taxes change, we'll send you a supplemental tax bill. The supplemental bill shows your home's change in value from the day you closed escrow or reported the new construction through the end of the fiscal year, which is June 30th. The supplemental bill is separate from the annual property tax bill that you'll receive in October.
How is my supplemental tax bill calculated?
It goes back to that reassessment we talked about. Take the new value of your home, which is based on current market value or the purchase price, and subtract the home's prior assessed value. You are taxed on that difference. For example, say you buy a house on September 15th for $450,000 and it had a prior assessed value of $350,000. The difference is $100,000. Now this gets a little complicated, but stay with us. Next, we need to prorate what you owe based on how many months are left in the fiscal year. In this example, you bought the house in September, so you'll owe the portion from October to June. That prorate factor for the remaining 9 months is 0.75, which amounts to $75,000. Finally, we apply the 1% tax rate to get your supplemental tax amount, $750.
Why did it take so long to receive my bill?
Once a new deed is recorded, the county assessor begins the reassessment process, which could take anywhere from 6 to 12 months after you purchase a new property or complete new construction. When the assessor finishes, we'll mail you your supplemental tax bill. The bill is due in 2 installments, or you can pay it in full by the first installment due date. The deadlines depend on the time of year you received your supplemental, and it may be different from the due dates for your regular tax bill. Check your supplemental bill for its due dates.
I have an impound account with my lender. Will my lender pay my supplemental bill?
Supplemental tax bills are separate from your regular annual tax bill. Some lenders may not pay the supplemental, so we send the bill directly to you, the property owner. Once you get it, you can contact your lender to decide who should pay the bill. If you're not sure if you have an impound account, call your lender and say you're calling about a supplemental tax bill and not your regular annual tax bill.
Will I get a supplemental tax bill every year?
No, unless you make improvements to your property or unless you add or remove someone from the title. We will only send supplemental bills to adjust your home's value when a qualifying event triggers a reassessment of your property. From now on, you'll only get an annual tax bill every October.
What if I have more questions?
For questions about your home's assessed value, visit the county assessor's website or call their office. For questions about how to make your payment, visit the Treasurer Tax Collector's website or call our office direct.
Now, if you still have questions surrounding your specific supplemental tax bill, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll help explain it to the best of our ability. And if necessary, we can also show you how to get in contact with the county in order to ask the proper questions to get an answer about your bill.